Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight LLC. My today's topic is CPIP approval and why is it necessary. CPIP stands for Consumer Product Import and Re-Export Permit. This recently launched service from Dubai Municipality to release consumer product consignments imported for the purpose of local market, non-commercial use or re-export through UAE's ports. After ensuring the safety and conformity of the product with the adopted health and safety standards and requirements prior to their entry to the Emirates of UAE. This recently launched service enables the customer to request for import. The importer draft an application for his new consignment. To request for CPIP approval, you need to visit montaji.dm.gov.ae. After logging into your account, go to Services tab and click on CPIP approval. During this process, the consignee fill all required data including all items in the consignment. Details will be filled directly through the system or using Excel sheet template. When the consignment arrives at port of entry and cleared from customs, consignee attaches bill of entry to the drafted application, submit request and pay for the application. Back-end officers would review the request and send notification to the consignee if the consignment required for the inspection. Now I am going to tell you few steps that you need to follow for the CPIP application. The steps are: apply for the service and upload required document, pay the fee, visit health and safety department offices at the port of entry after submitting the application to complete the consignment inspection procedure and obtain the release permit. Hope the procedure is clear for you. Now I will clarify about required documents. With the application of CPIP approval, there are few important documents that you need to submit it in order to receive approval without any hassle. The documents are custom declaration, airway bill or bill of lading, packing list, invoice, trade license, safety certificate for toys as per European standards, valid analysis or test report less than 1 year old from an accredited lab. This is for food contact material. Other document or certificates depending on nature of consignment. To ensure you are armed with right kind of information, we at Express Fairway Freight LLC can help you understand A to Z of import and export business in UAE. We can help you applying the consumer product import and re-export permit in hassle-free manner. All you have to do is contact with our consultant. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any kind of questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.